Yeah, everyone. Just decided to make a quick video on these RCA tablets. I know this doesn't have anything to do with scrapping, but researching an issue I had for these, I ended up finding a cool way to turn them on when you can turn them on with a power button. So what happened to my wonderful tablet? My kids dropped it, broke the screen, bought a new screen, changed it, and the power button stopped working. So like you can see, I'm pressing the power button, doesn't do anything. It's fully charged. And after reading, I found out that if you play around with buttons and everything, it might turn on. None of those tricks worked. And just to let you guys know, this is an RCA model W101 V2. So these are quite common. So what I found is once you charge these fully, you can see right here usually there's a blue light's gone. I found that if you play around with the charging cable, you get your tablet to turn on, unless obviously you have a battery problem, which you'd be able to tell once you open it up and you see the battery all kind of puffy. Or so if you see, I use this guy to charge. I find it works best with this. So what I do is plug it back in. You should see the battery showing that it's charging, even though it's fully charged. So once the screen turns off again, I'm going to start playing around with the power here, inserting it in and out until it turns on. Give it a few more seconds. Turned off, so I'm going to start. Nope, got the battery again. Might take a few tries to do this, but until now I've got this guy to turn on each time by doing this little trick. Just have to wait until the battery disappears again. There you go. And it's finally turning on. So like I said, I found it worked best using one of these tiny charge cables. It's for the what is it called, the DC port there instead of the USB. So you put one of these things in, and then you pretty much insert the charger in and out, in and out, in and out. And obviously the best way to have this not turn off on you is when it's charging, you charge it. So you can see it works perfectly. Hopefully this little trick helps others, because I think it took me about 10 days after I changed the screen to get this trick to work. After seeing it online, and now I get it pretty much every time. So hopefully this little turning on these little tablet mini laptop RCA things on with the power cable, hopefully it helps people, because like I said, I must have broken the power button over here when I changed the screen, because you kind of have to pop these out, so it's possible when I put it in back in place broke the power button. So works, it's wonderful, and hopefully this helps a lot of people. Talk to you guys soon.